I'm going to talk about decimals. Decimals, you can actually classify it into two types. Terminating decimals and recurring decimals right here. Alright, okay, a terminating decimal is a decimal that contains a finite number of digits. Alright, a recurring decimal is a decimal that has one or more digits that are repeated infinitely. One or more digits repeated infinitely. Alright. So an example of a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal is 5 divided by 8, which is equals to 5 divided by 8, isn't it? Fraction, you want to convert it to a decimal, you just take the numerator divided by the denominator now. So I proceed to do my workings here. 5 divided by 8. Okay, because 5 is smaller than an 8, I add a point and a 0. I add a 0 and a point here. 6 times 8, 48. Okay, I take this number absolutely. So I take this to be 50 and 6 times 8 to be 48. Okay, so I ignore the 0 point here just to make things simpler. Okay, 50 minus 48 is 2. Okay, I can add a 0 here. Okay, 2 times 8 is 16. 4, add a 0. And last but not least, 5 times 8 is 40. So your answer is 0.625. So this is an example of a terminating decimal. If you look at the decimal, okay, it contains a finite number of digits. Okay, an example of a recurring decimal. Looks like this. Okay, 1/3. 1/3 is actually 1 divided by 3. Okay, let me just do my working column here. So 1.00, 3 times 3, 9. 10. 3 times 3, 9, 10. Okay, 3 times 3, 9. You can see it goes on, keeps going on. So we can write 0.3 with a dot above it. The dot above 3 shows that the digit 3 is repeating. Alright, so these are just some examples of recurring decimals. Okay, very quickly, okay, if I take 3 divided by 11, okay, I'll actually get 0.2727. Right, it goes on and on. So in this case, I put the dot above these two digits to show that these two digits keep repeating. Okay, another example would be 4 divided by 27. Okay, what I get is 4 divided by 27. Okay, I will get 0.148. Okay, it continues on, so I put the dot above 1 and 8. So in this case, okay, if there are 3 or more repeating digits, you actually place the dot over the first and the last repeating digit, just to show that 148 keeps repeating.